Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. With apple season is in full swing, I am coming to you again to share this unique apple dessert, or we call it invisible apple cake. This unique invisible apple cake or gâteau features dozens of layers of thinly sliced apples held together with only a little bit of cake batter. A quick and easy and pretty apple cake, this invisible apple cake uses thinly sliced apples in a custard base, perfect to enjoy any time of the day. Enjoy this lovely cake cold from the fridge at room temperature or slightly warm. I loved it slightly warm, and this cake is wonderful on its own or dress it up with a dollop of ice cream. So let's check out the ingredients and see how easy to make this delicious apple cake. We need 3 to 4 apples and about 3 eggs, 75 grams butter, 340 grams all-purpose flour, 200 grams sugar, 70 milliliters oil, half lemon, half cup each of walnuts and raisins, 1 tablespoon baking powder. Walnuts and raisins are optional, 1 teaspoon vanilla and half cup plain yogurt. I am going to use a loaf pan. I am going to grease it with some butter and dust it with some flour. Making sure to lightly coat bottom and the sides and carefully tap out excess flour. In a large mixing bowl, add the eggs, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, add a tiny pinch of salt and the sugar. With an electric beater, beat the eggs until pale yellow. Beat it at least for 5 minutes, and now it looks light and pale. I am going to add the oil and beat it again. Now add the yogurt and beat it again for a minute. And now let's sift in the flour with 1 tablespoon of baking powder and sift it to the bowl, and then mix it with a whisk. Whisk the batter until smooth. Squeeze the lemon directly into the batter. Lemon juice will avoid discoloring of the apples while baking. Mix well to combine and add the raisins. Mix it again, and now let's chop the walnuts and add it to the batter. You can add any other nuts too. I am just adding some walnuts just to give a crunch. Mix it well, and let's pour the batter into the loaf pan. Now I am going to cut the apples. Scoop out the core and cut them into slices. Don't cut the apples till the last moment to avoid discoloration. Now let's arrange it on the cake mixture this way, making it decorative rows across the cake. Make sure the apple slices doesn't touch the bottom. Meanwhile, heat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Now I have almost finished arranging these beautiful rows. Now let's sprinkle some sugar on the top and then top it with some butter to get the caramelized topping. Now let's bake this cake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until golden and crisp on top. Now after 40 minutes, I am going to remove this from the oven, and it smells so good with a golden crisp on the top. Now let's test it with a skewer inserted into the middle, and it comes out clean. So now I'm going to transfer this. This is still slightly warm. I'm going to run a knife along the edges, and then it has come out perfectly. Now let's transfer this to a plate. I'm going to serve it slightly warm. I like it slightly warm, and here we go. The delicious and sweet apple cake really hits the spot. It's the perfect combination of crispy crust on the outside and soft moist cake on the inside. The tender apples make each bite deliciously rewarding. Hope you enjoyed this delicious invisible apple cake. Please do try out this recipe and leave me a comment. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet, and press the bell icon for latest updates. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.